Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at 3 different ways how you can find your SIM card phone number on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home key at the bottom of the screen. And then we're going to try the first method. Then that is swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. Then go down and tap on connections. In connections, you want to go down and tap on SIM card manager, and at the top here it will tell you your phone number or the SIM card number at the top here, and that is the first method. The second way is to go back to your home screen, then open up the phone application. In phone application, tap on contacts and then tap on your contact, which is at the top here, and in here it says this phone and it shows the phone number. Okay, and the last method is to swipe down at the top and tap on settings, then go all the way down to the bottom and tap on about phone, and in here it will also show you the phone number in the phone number section right here. And that's it. That's how you can find your phone number in 3 different ways. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.